So Duke Dennis and MP destroy the Clover house.
It's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. Everybody got a slice. What's up, bro? Oh, man. How y'all doing today? Hey, we doing good. Hey, I was just going over my issues with you know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like they ain't got no real set of boundaries. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Like, let me tell y'all, these getting too much money. Cause these ain't no little houses blowing up. You feel me? These real $1 million mansions, these out here tearing up.
I done seen them eating all food way too many times. But God, I ain't gonna put my hands on you. On them. Yeah! That's heavy. Hey. I need a lighter. Give me a lighter. Matter of fact, where room is? Hey, I never really liked this wall like that. Oh, I never really liked this wall.
Let me tell y'all, see this right here? This is why we have a hard time getting houses as black people. You know what I'm saying? Cause let me tell you, y'all don't even know the type of racial profile and shit we went through to get our house. Okay? We went through bullshit to get our house. Looking at us sideways to get our house. Like, what y'all trying to do? Why y'all, you wanna know why? Cause they see shit like this online. It's a who spent his last on this house. You know what I'm saying? Built this up from the ground up with his bare hands. And say, you know what, I want to get his house to a loving family. Who gonna keep this house together? And then guess what? It'd be us. And we doing shit like this to it. That's why I listen. That's, man, hey.
The reason, okay.
That's that Ray shit, bro. That's Bracan Ray be bugging the fuck out. That's what it is.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Cop buying these house. Cop buying these house with them.
What should we put right here on this wall? Everybody spin. What should we put? What should we put on this wall, chat?
That guy playing with real M's. This nigga bought his homies a mansion. And these treating this like a trap house. Sheesh.
You don't know fight. He's doing this curve, then a smoke bomb, then a big bomb.
Wait, is that a damn?
Chat, what should we put on this wall? What should we put on this wall? Ammo? China? China was here? Oh shit. China? Troop? We did troop again. We did troop already. What should we do? Heavy? Ooh, it's heavy. I like that. I'm gonna put it thick too, cool. I don't need this shit. I feel like I'm in the Bronx. Oh, bro.
Hey, yo, pause. Wait. Rate. My mic too low? Can you turn? No. Ray is gay, but I already knew that already.
Too crazy. It's heavy. Everybody saying it's heavy in the chat.
Ray.
It's heavy in the chat. I'm about to put Ray. I'm about to put Ray right here. Nah, what should I put right here? A&P was here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that hard, right? A&P.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Come on, baby.
Damn, they breaking this set up too? Nah, that's crazy.
Damn, what happened to that lighter? No, it's this! It's...
Oh my God.
What
I
happened?
can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Girl!
I ain't gonna lie, me personally. See, this is the thing, see, when we get our content house, this is why I can't live in it. If I live in it and a nigga this to the crib, I'm crashing out. It ain't even about the money at this point. It's like, what needs, you know what I'm saying? I'm crashing out.
Oh, I see the green still right there. Oh. That was cool though.
Hey, BookBabyRich too. Oh, yeah, you already did.
Okay. Oh!
Oh my God.
What
I
happened?
can't breathe.
God! Oh, this Talib shit?
God damn. These really not playing with these shit. Nah, dog. That's crazy.
I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Hey, Ray. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm good. Hey, Ray. I'm gonna make sure your setup and shit is. Never mind.
Gotta get a car.
Oh shit.
Wait, did they do the AMP? Wait, did the Clover house blow up AMP house?
We need to check that room.
It's coming.
In here. Hey, the chair slide out.
Oh, they did. That's why. Okay,
Hey, let me see
that's
that.
why.
Got no firework. You can check me to make sure. Let me see what you got going on, bro.
Watch it. Hold on.
Go ahead. Wait, so which one is worse? Well, they like, but them real firecrackers, bro. So who did it first? Did AMP start it or did the Clover house start it? So this happened first.
The door's broke? Oh my God. Okay, we do fireworks.
Oh shit.
We do fireworks at the last one.
Where y'all better go?
First, sent them on vacation and attacked their crib. This Duke ain't playing with these.
Diversity, Chris.
Oh, this shit.
Yo, we
Damn.
Hold on.
They taking this shit far.
4th of July is.
Give me a lighter.
Wait, so wait, hold on. This shit.
What if you pass them in the
It's fine. How y'all boys doing? The YouTube channel look weird as yo.
We just gave him some juice. Need some water, bud?
Oh, Black Hawk, get some water.
Go!
Whoa! Close that back door, don't get snaked by your home.
Take the basketball court.
Take the basketball court.
That's why I play ball.
I promise we're not.
Yo, call security! What the? Get them no.
Security, no good.
Call security.
We're coming. Let's run in.
Are you kidding me?
Get
this the out!
Why you let him drive the car in?
Bro, get these the out of here.
Come on, bro. Tia.
I got my camera. I got my camera in my room too. Oh, you can talk through there. Yeah, I'm gonna talk through that, bro.
Wait, so where they at? What kind of man?
Shane.
Nigga, none of my bees there. No, God. None of my bees there, bro, bitch. Wait, I'm out.
They in Texas? Damn. Wait. LP just got their house redone. Oh, no. LP just got their house remodeled and gonna tear it up? Oh, man.
Oh my God.
Just let it roll out. Just let it roll out. Just let it roll out. Just let it roll out.
Say on God.
Oh, say on God. He's not doing that. He's not doing that. He's not doing it right there. He's not doing that right there, gang. We just renovated the crib, chat. We just renovated the crib, bro. Yo! Nah, not the Gatorade, bro. Niggas ain't even have no snacks. Matter of fact, y'all can have those. Y'all ain't had no snacks in y'all crib. Never had them shits. Yo!
that's crazy.
Yo, he's wildin', bro. Bro, what am I mother? He's wildin'. Bro, what am I mother? He's wildin', bro. What am I? Bro. Yo, book the flight. Book the flight. Yo, what the? What am I mama book the flight? Get the jet. What am I mama get the jet, nigga? Get the fucking jet. What the wrong with this little nigga? Yo, I'm about to crash, gang. What is wrong with this little nigga? No, what's actually wrong with this little? Yo. Oh, nah. No, he's wildin'. No, it's pop. It's mad shit right there. No. No, give the camera. Give the camera.
Hello, guys, in that. Oh my God. Bring some shit. Hurry up. Oh my God.
My heart's beating. We're not gonna have a crib. Hurry up. Talk. Oh my God. We can buy more TVs. Bro, what am I mother?
What you talking about?
Oh, shit.
Buy them niggas.
I ain't gonna lie though. That's fair. It's fair. That's fair. I ain't gonna lie. They doing a lot. But that's fair though. That's fair. This ain't fake. Listen, you can't say this fake. This really this room. Like this shit really this crib they tearing up.
Sit that chair.
The ball hooks.
Sit that motherfucking chair, boss.
Spark that beat, nigga.
And I'm a bar. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap.
Spark the blood. The beat, nigga. Yo, Reggie, spark the
Nah,
blood.
smoking in your basement.
Nah, book the PJ right now.
Yo, book.
Wait, I ain't gonna lie. Nikki chair is crazy. He should have got Nikki chair wrapped. But did ALP destroy their setup though? Cause these destroying setups. They destroying real setups.
Like, they got my 10 million plaque.
It's paid.
Book.
Duke did.
How's the stream?
They should just Duke shit up then.
We need some strength. that weed. When that weed.
Spray paint.
When that weed.
Spray paint.
But what if my mother he let up a Rocky?
See? That was petty. See?
That weed,
See?
That was petty. You're not gonna like that, though.
See? See?
You know, is he slow?
See? Like he's bro, he's actually slow as shit. He's wilding, bro.
He's right there. He's gonna blow
What of my mother, my chair is in there. You little. Bro, what of my mother this nigga is, bro?
Come on with me. I'm that way. No. Spray paint. Go. Watch out. Wait.
These niggas
That's
is
cool.
doing shit.
Yo, I'm blocking this nigga right now. He not getting no contact with me. I'm coming. I'm going to pop up.
Gang, we out tonight, gang. Yo, we out tonight,
I'm
nigga.
going.
Yo, we out tonight.
Bro.
Bro,
You're not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it. Jeez, bro.
This is crazy.
One fire extinguisher on him.
This shit.
Davis? Nigga Davis?
Yo, no. Bro, they wildin', gang. What about they're wildin', gang?
People saying this shit is scripted. Whether it's scripted or not, they really tearing up this shit. Like, whether it's scripted or not, really lighting a firework in they
I'm like 85% sure we not finna do it. 85, 90%.
They're not even checking for fires. These dumbass, gang.
What a dumbass, bro.
Why the f we come back here? All the real renovations done.
Come on. I can't. Come here.
It's alright. Watch this.
Yo. You good?
Oh,
Whoa!
nah, Chris! Chris, come back!
Yes!
We'll be back. Let's go.
Chris!
They doing that right. Look, right in front of the Bible. They about.
Wait, is Chris room in a basement?
We'll be back. Let's go.
The fuck is that? This room is...
They doing that.
That room in a hidden room?
Right.
Wait, is his streaming room in a hidden room in a closet?
Chris!
That's tough.
They doing that right. Look, right in front of the Bible. They about. Come on, bro. My Bible right there. They doing that right in front of the Bible.
No!
My room.
What? Yo, what the? They not. There's nobody checking my room. Yo, what the?
Are they? No, hold on. Gang, I did nothing to the crib that was that crazy, bro.
You didn't.
I promise I didn't do nothing that
Then
crazy.
you did the least. Okay. Don't tell them about the weed.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, this too far. No, like this ain't even like this is the thing, bro. Like, I don't even remember like duking them like they painted on the wall and shit and lit it up. But nah, this crazy.
Who even thinks of that?
Nah,
Those
this is
closed
insane.
doors, my nigga? It's a glass door. Keep wildin', gang.
Yo!
Chris.
You might get clean if you careful.
Yo, are they not checking my room though?
Yo, that's mad.
No.
Oh my God!
I ain't gonna lie. At this point, you can't do nothing but just burn down their house. That's the only thing you gotta do. Like, that's the only thing.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, no troll. 500,000 damages. On God!
Watch, they ain't gonna do here. Watch. Watch the glaze.
They're not gonna do that. They're not gonna do that.
Bring that shit, nigga.
What the fuck, dude? Somebody call
Man, sick.
Come do this right now, nigga.
Look at my guy. He's a dumbass. Yo, get this thing out the house now.
What you doing? What?
Yo, gang.
Take these, burn that shit.
Yo, what nigga is gonna fall? What's he burning? What's he burning?
It's burning his clothes.
No
His
shot.
P.O. box. No.
No! It's actually gonna catch a fire. It's actually gonna catch a fire, gang. Bro, he's landing off the rocket on God. Bro, it's gonna catch a fire. Are these retarded? Yo, gang. Are these dumb?
Yeah, that's
Are these
dope.
niggas dumb? Yo!
We got two more.
They don't
Bro,
got
shut it down.
one fire extinguisher on them, though. That's the crazy part.
Wow. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, you paid for
not finna have a crib, bro.
and renovations. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie.
And look.
Yo, they crib was that clean.
That clip, that got
Crib was
clean.
that clean, though.
I'm getting hot right here.
Y'all ready?
Yo, bro, this actually he's on the spectrum, bro. There's gonna be a fire. There's mad closing. Gang, are we? Yo,
Oh,
yo,
hell
gang.
no.
On tone?
Tone?
Bro, hold on. They're actually on the spectrum, gang.
Yeah, actually, spam those chat. You're not spamming the dubs, you're gonna get banned. Spam those right now. They're gonna fuck with
Dictator. Stop doing that.
Oh, but no on the bed.
Nigga, idiot.
Bro, these niggas is wildin', bro.
Get these out the house, King.
Yo, you really gotta do something, bro.
Yo, call them. Gang. Gang, get these the out the house, gang.
Where's my guy?
Can't hear?
Hey, shit.
You can't hear? Come on.
Who, you?
He said he can't hear shit.
That's what I'm talking about! Gang shit, let's go!
Nigga hot to the food.
Come on. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Yo, Bruno! Watch this.
Show me, Kyle.
Yo, Bruno, get here! Oh, bro. Can we get into actually watch the stream real quick?
I ain't gonna lie. That agent really pissed. Listen, agent know what's going on, but you can tell he really on some shit like, hey bro, like, hey, these going too far. Nah, that's crazy.
Let me call this dumb.
My nigga Phantom with the good eats. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that was crazy. That was insane. Y'all saying watch what Duke did after this? Wait, Duke did something else? Wait. I already watched it. Y'all already watched it.
You're going up here. Go ahead. You good? Yeah.
Oh, that on fire. That shit real life on fire.
Shit. Hey, my phone in Talia room. I ain't finna fuck Talia room up no more. Hey, I got a boss call. Phone, Nick. I phone real quick.
You with one D block, nigga. 7 security.
Reggie, you better back up before fireworks, you know.
I swear to God, bro, you was a hero, nigga. Yeah, bro.
Hey, Reggie, you better chill before I tell Dave to come get you now. Yeah. What's 15 minutes ago, you just stood at the door and said, you right, I'm gonna be. No. Just stay in your place.
Hold on, he said, don't start. He already reacted enough. Don't scare him away. It's too. What was you talking about? Oh, that's crazy.